Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM. PJ here, and being as it's a bank holiday Monday and I've got a day off work, I thought I'd do something quick and simple. So time for another Airfix QuickBuild, and this time we're going to be looking at the Volkswagen Beetle. No glue, no paint, just build. So I'll get this open and we'll get the bag laid out, and I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. Okay, welcome back, folks, and here we go with our parts that have been laid out, and let's get this built. So we start with the wheels. A wheel, a hub, and a tyre. Simples. There we go, and they now fit to the chassis as a part of instruction 6. That's that done. Then we can put on our all the way around front bumper, like so. Next we need these two headlights, which I've already separated, and they go into the front section, and there is a little slot that marries up with a nodule in the front of this little plastic casting. And you can feel it, you can feel when you've got it right, and then they just push in like so. The bumper, the front section can now be attached to the chassis as a part of instruction 11, and we're down to 12 and 13. 2 gold bricks, now for the rear part of the body, onto these 4 at the back. The boot can now be attached. It's nice. I've already put the Beetle sign on the back of this. There's only a few little stickers. So we've done the boot. Now we want the side panels and door, and it's etched inside that it's a left. I don't know if you can make that out. Just about make it out. And then there's a left panel as well to go with it. So that's a door and panel that go together. The left hand side, and same for the right hand side. So that's there. That's 16, 17, and then we can do 18, 19, 20 and 21, which is putting the side panels on. Fairly simple, and why wouldn't it be? Same with the right hand side. Okie dokie. Now we can turn over, put in our 2 seats. Uh, 24 is a gold brick at the back. Put that on. 25 is the rear seats. Put them in. 26 is to fit the roof to the interior glass windows. Like so. And we've got the front bonnet that also fits on. Okay. So once we've done the bonnet, we can now attach the steering column and dash. That goes underneath. There we go. And the whole thing comes together in part 30. Nice solid click. And finally, the rear bumper. I love these little models. They're great fun to build with the kids. I will disassemble this and let one of my grandkids have a go. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.